Hello everyone, welcome to Manti Manjay Arise channel and Facebook page. How are you today? Yes. So today I will share 6 vocabulary words from lesson 36, which talks about the Garden of Gethsemane. So are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, for the first word we have day. Day. Day spelled D-A-Y. Day. Day is a noun. For example, today is a beautiful day. Today is a beautiful day. Second, we have daily. Daily. Daily spelled D-A-I-L-Y. Daily. Daily is an adjective. For example, most people write about their daily life. Most people write about their daily life. Third word we have month. Month. Month spelled M-O-N-T-H. Month. Month is a noun. For example, what is your favorite month of the year? What is your favorite month of the year? Forward we have monthly. Monthly. Monthly spelled M-O-N-T-H-L-Y. Monthly. Monthly is an adjective. For example, are you paid weekly or monthly? Are you paid weekly or monthly? Fifth word we have pride. Pride. Pride spelled P-R-I-D-E. Pride. Pride is a noun. For example, never lose your pride, because if you lose it, you have lost all. Never lose your pride. If because you lose it, you have lost all. The last word we have proud. Proud. Proud spelled P-R-O-U-D. Proud. Proud is an adjective. For example, I am very proud to see you in this class. I am very proud to see you in this class. Okay, everyone, now I want you to repeat after me. Day. Day. Daily. Daily. Month. Month. Monthly. Monthly. Pride. Pride. Proud. Proud. Okay, very good everyone. Okay, thank you so much for spending time watching the video. Please don't forget to make sentence or sentences and leave it in a comment. And if you do it right, we will give thumb up. And it is not yet, we will have check. And if you want to learn more with Miss Jenny Taylor, you just go into YouTube link, click about or below. And I will see you next time in the next video. Bye bye. God bless you.